Kia ora. April has been an amazing month. There is grass everywhere. So much it trips you up. The sunsets were absolutely beautiful. The cows really are living their best life. It actually felt more like summer. It was the best of Southland. We are still milking twice a day, but this will change in May when we get closer to drying off the herd. The cows are still producing over 2 kilos of milk solids a day. It's hard to believe that another season is almost over. This is our 6th season share milking. It's been an incredible journey to get to this point. So let's go back to the start and see how it all began. In June 2019, we took delivery of our very first herd of cows. 140 gorgeous Jerseys. It was the culmination of many years of hard work, determination and saving money, and of course, the small detail of moving halfway across the world. It was a year of many firsts. Our first winter grazing, our first calf being born, our first full pen of heifer calves wagging their tails, to our first milking mob grazing lush green grass, and our first milk collection, and our first milk check, our first experience as share milkers. It was incredibly exciting. We stayed in that farm for 4 years, had 3 children, and made a million memories. We loved every minute of it and learning so many lessons, but we always knew we had to grow and continue our journey to a larger farm. So with that, let's get back to the farm. April had a few key jobs to get ticked off. First up was our 4th and final herd test. then we were vaccinating and teat sealing the heifers with help from the Tausau vets. Lastly, we drenched and vaccinated the calves ready for winter. The final job now is to dry off the herd at the end of May, but that's for the next video. Thanks for watching. Ka kite anō, mā te wā. We don't belong to the same